All right, so here we go. We got the Crunch, and these are supposedly 300 watts, I guess peak. They're a 4 ohm speaker, and they're actually a three-way, and they're going to be going up against the American Bass, which I would consider the champ so far. And these are 160 watts at 4 ohms. All right, so we're back again, and we got the Big Daddy Crunch speakers right here going up against the American Bass. I've showed these before, but this is with the new setup, so let's see how they sound, and just let's see what happens. Let's go.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
I knew you were the one when you walked through the door and stepped behind the bar. My jaw was on the floor when I took you to a movie. You told me this: I'm never getting married, but you're not getting kissed. Christina, we proved the universe wrong against all the odds. Vegas would have said, don't bet on us, it's a 1 in a million shot. Even my friend told me,
you say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you will break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness.
All right. Well, I think once again, uh, it's pretty obvious. American bass just better speaker. The Crutch does have some bass, although probably a little muddy. American bass just more accurate. It just sounds better, to be honest. So what are you gonna say? But you know what? For the giggles, let's see how much bass it can handle. Let's start with the American bass.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Oh, give me that bass.
I'm not gonna lie, those Crutch handle the bass pretty good, which is kind of funny. The American bass handles it pretty good too, though. So I mean, for a 6.5, what do you expect? It's not even supposed to be going down that low. Those are bass songs, So I don't know, you know. I to be honest with you, I don't even remember what I paid for those crunches. I know that these are 60 now, but I would definitely put the prices up, of course. I probably already did it, but anyways, another comparison: American bass versus the crunch, and let me know what you think. Is it any good? Which one would you pick? I know I'm picking the American bass, but till next time, have a wonderful evening, everybody. Peace.